Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can enable the safe mode. Now for this, we will need to turn off our device, so let's bring our boot options, select that, and then hold power off. And as you can see, once you hold it, it changes into safe mode. Let's confirm it by selecting it again. This will initiate a reboot. And when the device boots back up, it automatically will boot into safe mode. Now in said mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. So there will be a bunch of apps that you won't be able to use anymore, which also includes surprisingly bunch of Samsung applications, as Samsung does have their apps be downloaded after the setup, which counts as a third-party application at that point. Now obviously this mode is designed for troubleshooting your device, so if you don't have any kind of problems with your phone, there is no reason for you to boot into it, as it does limit your usability of the device by quite a bit. So you'll be able to see that just in a moment. Now one more thing, we do have a watermark right here letting us know that we are in said mode. And you can already see there's one application that will not run right here, which is browser. This is an application that is downloaded after the setup. And on the second page, there is an entire page of apps that will not run outside of Chrome. And here as well you can see. So kind of pointing at some surprising applications that aren't supported here are things like clock, calendar, calculator, notes, tips. So yeah, these are all the apps that will not run. And you can define them by the fact that they just become monochrome. Now, with that being said, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, so you can start using all your applications, get back to the power options right here and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically will boot into normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.